If you are over 60 and have started noticing your legs feeling weaker, your balance becoming less reliable, or your energy dropping in ways you cannot explain, this is not just a minor inconvenience. It is one of the most common concerns seen in older adults, and it quietly changes how a person lives each day. Simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing for long periods begin to feel heavier than they used to. What makes this even more serious is not just the discomfort, but the risks that come with it, especially falls, loss of independence, and a slow decline in confidence that affects everyday life. Many people are told that this is simply what aging looks like, that once you pass a certain age, weakness is unavoidable. But that idea is misleading and overly simplistic. While the body does change with time, decline is not something that must be accepted as fate. Strength, mobility, and stability can still be preserved well beyond 60 when the body is supported in the right way. The real issue is not aging itself, but how we respond to it. In clinical practice, one of the most important patterns observed is that people who age better are not just those who rely on medical treatment alone. Instead, they are the ones who build consistent daily habits that support the body's natural systems. These habits do not need to be extreme or complicated. In fact, some of the most effective changes are surprisingly simple and sustainable. My name is Dr. Alan Mandel, and for over 3 decades, I have worked closely with older adults who want to maintain their independence and continue living life on their own terms. One thing has become very clear through years of experience. The human body remains adaptable far longer than most people think. Even in later years, it responds to the choices we make every day. One of the most overlooked areas in this process is how everyday nutrition and simple natural routines can influence strength and energy. People often search for complex solutions, but sometimes support begins with something as ordinary as what you drink daily. This is not about miracle cures or unrealistic promises. It is about understanding how small, consistent actions influence long-term physical stability. To understand why this matters, it helps to look at what is actually happening inside the body after 60. Muscle loss becomes more common, energy production becomes less efficient, and recovery slows down. These changes do not happen overnight, but gradually they affect how a person moves and feels. The good news is that these systems can still be supported, and that is where the right natural compounds may play a meaningful role. One of the key conditions behind this decline is something called sarcopenia, which refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It is not caused by a single factor, but rather a combination of reduced activity, shifting hormone levels, ongoing inflammation, and weaker circulation. Together, these changes create a cycle where muscles become smaller, fatigue comes faster, and recovery takes longer than before. As muscles weaken, other parts of the body also begin to feel the impact. Joints become stiffer, blood flow becomes less efficient, and balance becomes less stable. This is why many older adults do not just feel weak, but also feel unsteady and tired at the same time. These systems are deeply connected, even though they are often treated separately in conventional care. Traditional approaches tend to break these issues into separate treatments. One method for inflammation, another for energy, and something else for balance. But in reality, the body does not work in isolation. These systems influence one another constantly. When one improves, others often benefit as well. This is where certain plant-based teas become interesting because they contain natural compounds that act on multiple pathways at the same time. Instead of targeting only one symptom, they can gently support circulation, reduce inflammation, protect cells, and assist energy metabolism together. This broader type of support can be more aligned with how the body actually functions. The first example is ginger and turmeric tea, a combination that has been used for generations in many traditional systems. These are often seen as simple kitchen spices, but when prepared as tea, they can offer much deeper physiological effects, especially for older adults dealing with leg weakness and fatigue. Ginger contains active compounds known as gingerols, which help support blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients can reach muscle tissues more effectively. In older adults, poor circulation is often an invisible cause behind heavy legs, cramps, and persistent tiredness. When this improves, movement begins to feel less strained. Turmeric works in a different but complementary way. It contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation contributes significantly to muscle breakdown and joint discomfort. By calming these processes, curcumin allows the body to recover more efficiently and reduces stiffness after activity. When these two ingredients are combined, their effects work together. Ginger improves delivery of nutrients and oxygen, while turmeric reduces internal inflammation that blocks recovery. The result is not an instant transformation, but a steady improvement in comfort, mobility, and endurance over time. The benefits of ginger and turmeric tea become more noticeable when it is used consistently rather than occasionally. One cup will not change the body overnight, but daily use allows the compounds to build up their effects gradually. Over time, many people report that their legs feel lighter, movement becomes smoother, and walking feels less tiring than before. Preparation also plays an important role in how effective this tea can be. Fresh ginger root is often more potent than dried powder because it contains higher levels of active compounds. Fresh turmeric is ideal as well, although powder can still be useful when fresh root is not available. These small details influence the overall strength of the drink. There is also one important addition that significantly improves the effectiveness of turmeric. A small pinch of black pepper helps the body absorb curcumin much more efficiently. Without it, a large portion of curcumin may pass through the digestive system without being fully used. The compound in black pepper supports absorption in a powerful way, making the combination far more effective. Flavor can also be adjusted gently without reducing benefits. A slice of lemon or a small amount of honey can make the tea easier to drink, especially for daily use. However, it is important not to overcomplicate it. The key is consistency rather than perfection in preparation. In many cultures, this combination has been used for generations as a natural way to support joint health and energy. In places like India, ginger and turmeric tea is still a daily household habit, especially among older adults. Its long-standing use suggests that its effects are not just theoretical, but practical in real life. Modern interest in these ingredients has also increased among athletes who use them to support recovery after intense physical activity. If they can help the body recover from high levels of strain, they can also support older adults dealing with everyday physical demands. Another major issue that often accompanies aging is fatigue. Many older adults describe it not just as tiredness, but as a constant lack of energy that affects motivation. Even simple tasks begin to feel overwhelming, which leads to reduced activity and further weakness over time. This fatigue is not only caused by muscles. It is often linked to reduced oxygen efficiency, slower energy metabolism, and increased internal stress within the body. Addressing it requires supporting the systems that produce and use energy more effectively, not just resting more. One of the simplest natural combinations that may help with this type of fatigue is green tea combined with ginseng. Green tea is already widely known and consumed, but when paired with ginseng, its effects become more balanced and supportive for both energy and endurance. Ginseng is known as an adaptogen, which means it helps the body adjust to physical and mental stress. Instead of forcing the body into stimulation, it supports balance and resilience. This is particularly important for older adults where energy fluctuations can be more noticeable and recovery slower. One of the key effects of ginseng is its influence on how muscles use oxygen. When oxygen utilization improves, physical activity feels less exhausting. At the same time, it supports mitochondrial function, which is essential because mitochondria are responsible for producing cellular energy. As these structures become less efficient with age, fatigue becomes more common even when nutrition is adequate. Ginseng also has an effect on stress hormones. High stress levels contribute to muscle breakdown and reduced recovery. By helping regulate this response, ginseng supports not only physical strength but also overall stability. It also influences mental clarity, which plays a major role in maintaining an active lifestyle. Green tea adds another layer of support. It contains antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the factors that accelerates muscle aging. It also contains a small amount of caffeine, enough to improve alertness, but not so much that it causes jitteriness or discomfort. What makes green tea unique is its presence of L-theanine, an amino acid that calms the nervous system. When combined with caffeine, it produces a smooth and steady form of energy rather than sudden spikes and crashes. This balance is especially helpful for older adults who may be sensitive to strong stimulants. When ginseng and green tea are used together, their effects complement each other. One improves energy production and stress adaptation, while the other supports cellular protection and calm alertness. Over time, this combination can help restore a sense of steady energy throughout the day. For older adults experiencing weakness in the legs or a lack of endurance, this combination can make daily movement feel less exhausting. It does not act like a quick stimulant, but instead builds a foundation of energy that supports activity in a more natural way. With consistent use, walking and routine tasks may begin to feel more manageable again. Preparation of this tea should also be done with care. Water should not be boiling when green tea is added because excessive heat can damage its beneficial compounds. Allowing the water to cool slightly after boiling helps preserve its quality. Green tea should be steeped for only a few minutes to avoid bitterness. Ginseng can be added in small slices or in powdered form, allowing its active compounds to infuse gradually. A short additional steeping time helps release its benefits. Some people prefer adding a small amount of honey for taste, but heavy sweeteners are generally not recommended for overall metabolic health. This tea is usually best consumed in the morning as it provides gentle support for energy throughout the day. However, it should be used with awareness, especially for individuals with certain medical conditions or those taking specific medications, since ginseng can have stimulating effects in some cases. Another important point is that natural approaches like this do not produce immediate results. Their effects build slowly as the body adapts. This gradual process is what makes them sustainable, but it also requires patience and consistency. Fatigue, reduced endurance, and muscle weakness are not isolated issues. They are part of a broader system involving circulation, metabolism, stress response, and recovery. Supporting these systems together is more effective than treating them separately. This is why combining different supportive teas can be beneficial. Each one targets a different aspect of the body's aging process, and together they create a more complete form of support. One of the most overlooked contributors to muscle weakness in older age is chronic stress combined with poor sleep. Many people focus on physical activity and diet, but forget that recovery happens primarily during rest. When sleep is disturbed or stress levels remain high, the body spends more time breaking down tissue then repairing it. This is where ashwagandha root tea becomes particularly relevant. Unlike the other teas that focus mainly on energy or circulation, ashwagandha works primarily on stress regulation and nervous system balance. It is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body maintain stability under pressure. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, the main stress hormone. When cortisol remains elevated for long periods, it can contribute to muscle breakdown, reduced bone strength, and disrupted sleep patterns. By helping lower and balance this hormone, the body is better able to enter a restorative state. This has a direct impact on muscle health. Muscles do not rebuild during waking hours in the same way they do during deep sleep. Growth and repair processes are most active at night. Without quality sleep, recovery becomes incomplete, no matter how good nutrition or exercise may be. Ashwagandha tea supports deeper and more stable sleep by calming the nervous system and reducing mental tension. Many individuals notice that after consistent use, they wake up feeling more rested, with less stiffness and more ease of movement in their legs. Preparation involves gently simmering the dried root in water to extract its compounds. The flavor is earthy and mild, and it can be softened with cinnamon or a small amount of honey if needed. It can be taken in the evening for sleep support or during the day for general stress balance. When viewed together, ginger turmeric tea, green tea with ginseng, and ashwagandha root tea each address different aspects of aging muscle health. One supports circulation and inflammation, another improves energy and stamina, and the last restores balance and recovery. The key message is that aging does not have to mean inevitable decline. The body continues to respond to consistent habits, even in later decades. Small daily choices, when repeated over time, can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, stability, and energy. Weakness in the legs, reduced balance, and fatigue are not simply signs of age to be accepted without question. They are signals that the body needs better support. With the right combination of habits and natural support, it is still possible to maintain mobility and independence for many years.